Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into a super basic yet essential word. Our word of the day is body, an A1 level noun meaning the physical part of a person. So, what exactly is a body? Well, it's you. It's me. It's the whole physical structure of a human being, including everything inside and out. We use the word body all the time in so many different contexts. For instance, you might talk about keeping your body healthy, or maybe describing how your body feels after a good workout. Now, let's explore some synonyms for body. One good synonym is form, as in the athlete was in good form. Another synonym could be figure, as in she has an athletic figure. We could also use physique, like in he has a strong physique. These words all refer to the physical appearance or structure of a person, but do have slightly different shades of meaning, as you have seen in my examples. Now, for the opposite, let's look at some antonyms. An antonym could be mind, referring to the mental aspect rather than the physical. We might say she has a sharp mind. Another one is spirit, which refers to the non-physical part of a person. For instance, her spirit was lifted by the good news. These words contrast with the physical nature of the body. Let's see how body fits into everyday life. You might say, I need to exercise my body more, or the doctor checked my body carefully. You might also hear expressions like a strong body and mind, emphasizing that both the physical and mental aspects are important. Some other usage examples include, the lifeguard found the body in the water. Another could be, the patient donated his body to science after his death. And also, he was able to get his body into amazing shape. There are so many ways we use this word. To recap, body is an A1 level noun, referring to the physical part of a person. We looked at some synonyms like form, figure, and physique, and some antonyms like mind and spirit. We saw that this word is very common and is used in many different ways. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. If you enjoyed learning about the word body, please remember to subscribe to our podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and benefit from these language lessons. And now, before we go, I have one last thing for you. Let me see your creativity. I wanted to create your own sentence using the word body and share it in the comments below the podcast. I look forward to seeing what you come up with. Until next time, happy word learning!